I think being underprepared for interviews is a fear that a lot of students have, and it's a fear that I had. And I think sort of understanding from the different courses that we have, that these are the different things you can follow and a structure to follow, was really important to me to ensure that I covered all the areas that I'd feared I wouldn't cover when I was going into the interview. I really like sort of the Q&As and hot seats. I like the dialogue that you can have with not only medical students but doctors in the profession. I think FutureDoc offers a wide variety of different ways to sort of practice for medicine. I think not only is it focused on interviews, but also sort of the holistic and personalized approach that they have at FutureDocs is different from a lot of different websites that prepare students, and I think that was the real reason that drew me to FutureDocs.